Welcome to this Wood Solutions campus presentation on the different types of wood. In this presentation, we are looking at the differences between hardwood and softwood. Timber is a natural product drawn from the wood in trees. It is an organic material whose character is determined by the species of tree and the form and growth of the wood in the tree over time. There are two major botanical groups of species, softwoods and hardwoods. Softwoods have seeds in cones and needle-like leaves. The wood from softwoods generally has lower densities and is often lighter in colour. Common Australian softwoods include radiata pine, cypress pine and hoop pine. Most Australian produced softwoods are grown in plantations. Normal harvest age is between 25 and 35 years. Hardwoods have seeds from flowers and broad leaves. The wood generally has higher densities and is often darker in colour. Common Australian hardwoods include all eucalypts, jarrah, mesomate, mountain ash, yellow gum and blue gum, all corymbulas, brown box and spotted gum, or imported hardwoods such as teak from Asia and white oak, maple from North America. Australian produced hardwoods are grown in either native forests or plantations. The normal harvest age of native forests is between 60 and 120 years, and plantation timber is between 25 and 40 years. There are significant genetic and anatomical differences between softwood and hardwood trees and the timber from them. Softwood cells are more open and regularly arranged with thinner cell walls. They are often aligned in parallel straight radial rows. Hardwood elements are smaller with thicker walls. These are in a more complex arrangement with large vessel cells. In addition to species characteristics, the timber structure and properties relate directly to the tree's cycle of growth, surrounding environment, particularly climate, and age at harvest. Differences in the wood structure and properties lead to different performance in use. In summary, timber is a natural product whose properties are determined by the species of tree and the growth of the wood in the tree over time. Differences in the wood structure and properties lead to different performance in use. Australian softwoods are generally grown fast in plantations with relatively lower density and lighter colour. Australian hardwoods are generally slower grown in native forest and some grown in fast plantations.